Hi everyone. In this lecture, we are going to implement median filter, so you can say median blurring in OpenCV using Python. For this purpose, we are going to use the function CV median blur. Remember, M small but B capital, CV median blur. You have to know that in which situation which filter should be applied. So let me tell you, this median filter, or you can say median blur, you are going to apply for such condition when an image is being affected by salt and pepper noise. So it is very effective against the salt and pepper noise. Well, you also got it that CV median blur. This will be used for this purpose. And this function takes the median of all the pixels under the kernel area, and the central element is replaced with this median value. So within that particular dimension of the kernel or kernel area, what it will do, it will take the median of the all pixels. Then central element will be replaced by the median value. So this is the measure means concept, or you can say the core concept of this filter. Now in median blurring, as you have seen that it always reduce the, or you can say replace some pixel value in the image. So it is very effective in such cases where the image is being modified by salt and pepper noises. So it reduces the noise effectively, and kernel size in this case should be a positive odd integer. Remember, kernel size should be a positive odd integer. So for that, first of all, we have added 50% noise is added to the original image, and after that we applied median blurring. So for the code is import CV to SCV from matplotlib. We are importing pyplot as plot. Then this is the original image location. We are assigning this to image variable, img variable. If not found, file could not be read. As always, we are giving this message. Then this is the main function. Median is equal to CV dot median blur image 5. So we are taking the 5, right? So now after that, what is exactly going on means image is the original image, but this 5 is for, I already told you that we have to first do one thing, that we have to take the kernel size odd, and here 50% noise being added. For that purpose, we are using this. Now, after this median filter being applied, we are keeping the output image in median means variable. Then we are plotting it. So divide the plot into two subplots. In the first one, we are showing the original image, and this is the original image. And in the second subplot, we are showing the median blurred. So you can take a screenshot of this. Let me show you its implementation in Python using Python in OpenCV. And for that, I'm using Spider. Let me show it to you. So you can see here. So this is the main function, median. Median is assigned CP median blur. So remember, median blur, image and comma 5. Well, now subplot 1 to 1 for the first subplot, original image, then x6, x6, y6, then subplot 1 to 2 for the median blurred version, then x6, y6. Then so let me run this file. Now it would come. So you can see this is the original image and this is the median blurred. Well, so I hope everything is clear. If you have any doubt, then please let me know through comment. Thank you.